Hi everybody, welcome back to a new video. So this is our new project. It's a GMC Acadia. We're gonna cut it into a truck. We're gonna start cutting it right here where the tape is. I'm gonna cut it down. We're gonna come along. Like right here, right? Like right along here. You can see we started a little bit, but we're gonna come around. We already got the back trunk off. I'm gonna come around here. And make another cut here. So pretty much from here back, it's just gonna be a truck bed. And just got started on her. We got the interior stripped out in the back. Stay tuned for the next part.